Hi, welcome. In this video, we will learn about the basic mathematical functions that we can do in Excel. So let's suppose we have data with some sales agent and it is their sales in different quarters. If I wanted to check that how many sales has been happened in quarter 1, then we can sum all these three values. To sum these values, we will first press OK, then we will use up arrow to go in that particular cell, then plus, then again we'll use the up arrow, then we will go to that particular cell and then plus, and the last one is here. And now we selected, copy this and paste in those areas. We can align the text as mid-1. So this was the sum. Now if we wanted to know that in every quarter what was the sale as compared to the previous quarter, so we will use again equal, then the recent quarter in which we are trying to see the data, then minus previous quarter. So it gives us values like this. So that was subtraction that we used. Now I wanted to check that how, let's suppose this is the value and we wanted to multiply by 2, then these values got changed. In the last, we also can use division function. So let's suppose we wanted to see that the change was how much percentage to the previous quarter. So it is almost 106%. Drag this formula. So we used multiplication to get this function. To use multiplication, we will use this symbol. Thank you for watching. We'll meet you next video.